The brand sent me this in exchange for my honest review, but all opinions are my own. 5 things that make this dash cam stand out, so let's get into it. First, the 2K front camera. 170-degree wide angle that's wider than the standard 150 you see on most dash cams, and the extra field of view catches license plates at extreme turning angles that a narrower lens misses completely. And there's a separate rear camera at 1080p. Left and right side cameras also at 1080p. And an interior camera for rideshare drivers or parents monitoring backseat passengers. All 4 recording at the same time. Front, rear, left, right, every angle around the vehicle covered simultaneously. There's a 3-inch IPS screen built into the main unit. You can switch between any of the 4 camera feeds and view footage on the spot without pulling out your phone or removing the SD card. For rideshare drivers especially, being able to review footage quickly from the screen without any extra steps is a practical daily feature. IPS means accurate colors and clear visibility from any angle, not that washed out screen you get on cheaper dash cams. This dash cam uses a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, and this is actually a big deal that most people overlook when shopping for dash cams. Lithium batteries degrade in heat. If you live somewhere hot or your car sits in the sun, a battery-based dash cam will fail faster over time. A supercapacitor handles extreme temperatures from -20 all the way up to 70 degrees Celsius without degrading. You get a longer lifespan, better heat resistance, safer performance. For long-term parking and hot climate use, supercapacitor is the right choice. Also, there's 8 infrared LED lights across the cameras. Combined with WDR, which is wide dynamic range technology, this cam balances the exposure between bright headlights and dark surroundings simultaneously. The result is clear footage at night, where other dash cams produce blown-out headlights or pitch-black shadows. License plates and road signs stay readable even in difficult lighting. For anyone who drives at night regularly, this is the spec that matters most. Next is 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 4 times faster than standard 2.4 GHz dashcam connections. Pull 2K footage directly to your phone through the free out without removing the SD card. You can adjust settings, to preview live feeds, download and share clips to insurance or authorities, all from your phone in seconds. 64GB card included right out of the box, and it supports up to 128GB. You can loop recording, overwrite the oldest footage automatically, and the G sensor locks critical clips from sudden braking or impact so they never get overwritten. 24-hour parking mode monitors for motion and impact while the ignition is off. Hardwired kit required for the parking mode though, and that link is going to be in the description along this dash cam. You've got 2K front with 170-degree wide angle, 4 channels simultaneously recording, 3-inch screen, supercapacitor for heat resistance and longevity, 8 IR lights with WDR night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi app control, and a 64 gig card included. This dash cam covers everything. And if you need more info, the link's going to be around this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.